Hey, it's Melody with Realty Executives Main Street, and I'm here in beautiful Campbell County, Tennessee. I'm about to show some property, and I got here a little early, and I thought, you know what, this is such a beautiful location. Let's stop and make a video, especially about loans. When I have prospective clients to contact me, sometimes they're a little confused about loans, especially here in East Tennessee. So stay tuned and I'll see if I can help. So first of all, if you're looking specifically for a loan, sometimes you have to think outside of the box. Many banks and mortgage lenders do not lend on raw land. Okay, so if you're thinking about buying some land to put a mobile home on, or to do some recreation on, or to build on, you are going to need to seek out a lender who only lends on land. And I can help you with that. But I just wanted to let you know, because your bank will often not do that, and a regular mortgage lender will not either. And another thing that a lot of people don't know about land loans is it is a required 10% down. Okay, with mortgage loans on a home, that's a little different. For land loans, it is usually 10% down. So, wanted to go over that one first. Then, let's say you're not buying land. You're wanting to buy a home, whether it's a stick-built home or a mobile home. There are still different loan types, okay? So let's start first of all with the government loans. So there are many government loans out there, and we have a common one that is used in a lot of the rural areas here in East Tennessee called the USDA. United States Department of Agriculture, and it is a loan that requires 0% down if you qualify. However, the caveat is it can only work in certain areas of East Tennessee. It's more of rural farming areas of East Tennessee. So when it was established, it was hoped that, okay, we'll provide these loans with 0% down to help bring in more people. So it is mainly in the more rural areas. That is a government loan that requires 0% down if you qualify and are looking in an area that is rural. Then we have what is called the FHA loan. And this is from the Federal Housing Authority. This is where a client puts down 3.5% of the purchase price. And there are some stipulations, and I should say that up front. With any government loan, there's going to be some stipulations. They have their own appraisers who come. These appraisers have to be certified in these loan types. And often, not only are they looking for, is the home worth what we're willing to lend you, but also, is it safe? Does it have handrails? Is there peeling paint? And there's a whole list of criteria that they go through. And if that home or that property does not meet that criteria, then we have to go back to the seller to see if they are willing to make those changes. If they are, great. If they are not, then sometimes we have to restart the process if the negotiation can't be done. So that is an FHA loan, 3.5% down of the purchase price, and then it does have an FHA appraiser who comes out and looks at safety as well as value of the home. USDA loans are also that way. They have their own set of appraisers as well who work with just these loan types. Then we have the VA loan, which is one of my absolute favorites. If you are a veteran or you're married to a veteran, you can qualify for that. Again, it is 0% down. A lot of times on all of these loans, whether it's veterans or FHA or USDA, that does not always include closing costs. You still usually need money for closing costs, not always, but usually you do, and that's something you can talk with your lender. VA loans, again, 0% down. They do have their own appraisers who have to be certified working with VA loans to make sure the home and the property is safe for the family. So we have USDA loan, 0% down. If you qualify in the specific area of East Tennessee. FHA, it can be used, to my knowledge, anywhere in East Tennessee. It just has to have 3.5% of the purchase price. The VA loan can be used anywhere. However, there are certain stipulations with the VA loan. A lot of times, if you're looking for mobile homes, there's certain criteria that these all have to fit as well. It has to be on a permanent foundation, and there's other criteria. Then we have the conventional loan. Now, a lot of people who will call me will say, well, Melody, I don't quite have 20% to put down yet. Well, of course, a lot of people want to do that, and that's absolutely great. But with conventional loan, 5% is the minimum. And so if you have that much saved, or a little bit more than that, but you're not quite to 20, that's okay. A lot of times you will still qualify for a conventional loan, and any appraiser can do a conventional loan appraisal. There is another one called THDA. It is specific to Tennessee. It's through the Tennessee Housing Development Authority, and it is very similar to the FHA loan. There's some different criteria there, and of course you can reach out to your lender to get more information about that. And there are some programs with the THDA loan where if you will attend a class, or if you will do this online course, there are programs out there where you can get closing costs paid as well. So there are lots of different types of lending that will fit you and your needs. If you qualify, you just need to talk with your lender. And if you don't have a lender yet, that's completely okay. Give me a call. I will gladly provide you a list of lenders in the area to get you pre-approved so we can start shopping for homes and land. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you. Would you help me? Would you like or comment on this video? Share it with others. Watch it all the way through. You know what? I'm going to do a challenge. My challenge is I want you to pick 3 of my videos and watch them from beginning to end. Would you do that for me? Pick 3 of my videos, watch from beginning to end. My heart will thank you for it. Until next time.